Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdulrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So the video of today is all about the Servo mini phone. Now I understand last time we checked out this kind of Servo, which is the bigger boy throughout the Servo lineup. I can say this is just an iconic phone because it uses 4 SIM cards, but today we're checking out a phone which is capable of using 3 SIM cards, but it's so small. So let us just get started. Ooh, there we go. As you can see guys, this is the Servo mini phone, and we're gonna just unbox it right now and check it out what's so good about it. So yeah, let's jump in on the studio. So guys, this is our device from Servo BM5310, which is really iconic, and we're gonna just unbox it right now. So yeah, getting a micro USB cable in here, which is really great. You're getting a phone holder which is like a small strap, some paperwork you have just to release this kind of golden stuff, and another kind of manual. So yeah, so this is our device in here, which is really great. And yeah, whoa, this is really small. It's quite smaller phone, to be honest, and it has a body like the Nokia 5310, which is quite impressive. Through here, as you can see, it has a really nice look. Can resist on here, like you can just hide it, throw it your hand, and it's just something which is so great. So we're gonna just peel out through this kind of sticker. And by the way, we have reviewed some smaller phones back in the days, and it's really amazing. So we're gonna just pop up this cover first because we just want to see what's inside. And yeah, that's a very smaller form factor, to be honest. And right now we're gonna just check out through what's inside. Whoa, so as you can see guys, through here you're having 3 SIM card slot plus an SD card. So 1, 2, 3 and plus SD card, which is quite impressive through this phone. And another kind of stuff, we just have to peel out this kind of golden stuff on the battery. Make sure that you remove this kind of golden stuff, so as your phone can have intact with the motherboard direct throughout your device. So you just return it back like this way, and return your phone case, and yeah, you're good to go. And we turn on our bad boy if it has juice. Whoa, nice. So guys, I reduced the brightness so as you can have a total look about the phone. The menu looks really great, quite not bad. It's really iconic. And when you go to multimedia, you can see it has audio, video player, gallery, FM radio. So I hope the FM radio, okay, nice. You can just use it without any problem, like, you know what I mean, without earphones or something, which is quite impressive. And you wanna stop it, just press 5 and it will just stop. And go back, there's a voice recorder too in here. If you want to insert the memory card, you can. And there's a camera, so don't expect much on the camera side. Actually, that's not bad. Just look at it. Just check out Android there. Okay, you can zoom in. That's really crazy. So you can just see how it is. The phone looks really vibrant, to be honest. I kind of like it. It's quite small in size. And the speaker wise, let's jump in on the speaker wise so as you guys can hear how much speaker it is. And it has even magic voice will come on it. So let me just see first of all the sound of how much the sound it is when it comes to the ringtone. So the volume, it's right now 7. Okay, there you go. Actually quite not bad. It's just keeping up there, so can resist on that. Another kind of stuff, let's jump in on organizer. And there's something called magical voice. So magical voice, you can change your voice whenever someone you're talking to on the phone. If you want your voice to be man, you want your voice to be woman or child. And some of the phones, actually like the Servo, this one, it has an option for changing voice up to let me show you guys. It's something which is going to be capturing you, so as you can see what's happening. So let's go to magic sound. You can see there's child, there's old, there's cartoon, and there's even young. So it depends with you what you really need. It's quite not bad, but it's a feature which is there. So yeah, so this is the Servo BM5310, which is really great through this kind of lineup, and it's such an iconic device. So yeah, comparing the bigger bad boy through Servo and this one is totally different. But overall, the mini phone from Servo, the 5310, they're calling it the BM5310, it's such an amazing one. If you just want a button phone, you know what I mean, it's a really nice one. It's a great phone just to hide it on your pocket, and it feels like it does not exist anymore. It's such an amazing phone. So yeah, this is it's really great. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Servo Mini mobile phone. It's such an amazing kind of iconic phones to just have a exploration through them. They don't have bunch of features, don't expect through them. They're just like a phone whereby you can listen to radio, you can make a phone call, even texting sometimes it's a little bit bizarre, but overall it's such an amazing thing. So let me know in the comments down below if it captured you through a different perspective. You just want to toss your smartphone away, you just want to grab this kind of Servo phone. It's so much amazing. But you can actually get the King F22 Pro if you just want to use a touch and a button and a smartphone at the same time. It's quite amazing phone, and if you didn't check out the review, well, you can just click somewhere out there. So you can go and explore that kind of phone. It's so much amazing. Not least, catch you guys on the next tech video, and yeah, consider subscribing if you're new here, and I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. And peace.